ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय. I am at Nagalingeshwara temple on this auspicious Pradosha Bahula Chaturdhasi of Magamasa for preparing for Shivaratri tomorrow. Wonderful preparations are going on here. I thought of reading out a Manjarika stotra like Govinda, Dwadasa Manjarika, well known as Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Modhamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale Nahi Nahi Rakshati Drukum Karane. The same way, one poet, Chintamani, has done an Ashtakam known as Gaurisha Ashtakam. It goes like this. It is highly spiritual, very hard hitting, like Mohamudgara. So it goes like that. The Draupadam, everything will end with Bhaja Gaurisham, Gaurisham Bhaja Mandamate. Jalabhava Dustara Jaladhi Sutaranam, Theyam Chitte Sivahara Charanam, Anyopayam Nahi Satyam, Geyam Sankara Nityam. This is the first one. Jalabhava Dustara Jaladhi Sutaranam, Theyam Chitte Sivahara Charanam, Anyopayam Nahi Satyam, Geyam Sankara Nityam. Dharapatyam Kshetram Vittam Deham Geham Sarvamanityam Iti Paribhavaya Sarvamasaram Garbhavikrutya Swapna Vicharam Malavaichitriyai Punaravrittihi Punarapi Janani Jatharotpattihi Punarasyasa kulikam jatharam kim nahi munchasi kadhaye chittam. Bhaja Gaurisham Bhaja Mandamate Maya kalpita maindram jalam nahi tat satyam drishtivikaram jnate tatve sarvamasaram ma kuru vishaya vicharam. Bhaja Gaurisham Bhaja Mandamate Rajau Sarpa Brahmanaropaha Tadvat Brahmani Jagadaropaha Nithya Maya Mohavikaram Manasi Vicharaya Varam Bhaja Gaurisham Bhaja Mandamate Adharakoti Gangagamanam Kurute Yogam Chendriya Damanam Jnana Vihinaha Sarvamatena Nabhavati Mukto Janma Setena. Bhaja Gaurisham Bhaja Mandamate Soham Hamso Brahmaivaham Suddhanandas Tattva Paroham Advaitoham Sangavihine Chendriya Atmani Nikhile Line. Bhaja Gaurisham Bhaja Mandamate Sankara Kinkara Makuru Chintamanina Virachitametat Yaha Sadbhaktya Pathatihi Nityam Brahmani Lino Bhavatihi Satyam. Bhaja Gaurisham Bhaja Mandamate. So this Ashtakam is again highly spiritual. So it goes on key points again. Bhaja Gaurisham, this is like Bhaja Govindam Govindam Bhaja Modhamate Samprapte Sannihite Kale Nahi Rakshati Drukum Karane. Same way there is Moha. Maya kalpita maindram jalam nahi tat sarvam drishtivikaram jnate tatve sarvam asaram makuru vishaya vicharam. So క్షేత్రం విత్తం దేహం గేహం సర్వం అనిత్యం అనిత్యత్వం ఇది పరిభావయ సర్వమసారం గర్భ వికృత్యా స్వప్న విచారం. సో కంబైనింగ్ ద గర్భ వికృతి మీన్స్ taking birth and getting into the dream as similar things. Come from dream to dream, one life to other life. At some point in time, all of us have to get on to this soham hamso brahmaivaham suddhanandastattvaparoham advaitoham sangavihine chendriya atmani nikhile line. Once all the indriyas are absorbed into the atma, the advayatvam is experienced. Only by experiencing that soham hamsaha soham brahma eva aham brahmaiva aham. This Gauri Shashtakam may give that end of moha. The auspicious parva of Sivaratri is tomorrow. On that parva, one and all experience that highest truth by putting the right effort into it, with the jnana, with the knowledge, getting on to the upasana, doing the right karmas. Bhaja Gaurisam, Bhaja Gaurisam, Gaurisam Bhaja Mandamate. So it is basically addressing one's own mati, the mind, Mandamati, which is normally lazy, normally don't want to take complications. So this Mandamati has to be brought up and Gaurisa Bhajana has to be done properly. That will go into the Upasana, that will lead into the highest reality, realization of the highest reality as Soham, Hamsaha. May that step, some baby steps towards that process are taken at the right time, Magha Masa, Krishna Pashta Chaturdasi of Mahasivaratri Parvadina. Wishing one and all a great auspicious period. Swasti.